Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make this flat lay video with items getting added one at a time. We're also going to boomerang it in editing so that each item will get taken away one by one after a long pause. First and foremost, please download the app Lapse. That's what we'll be using to create this video, and it is our company. We are Lapse. Here's our setup. We have our phone placed on the edge of a desk facing down. It's important you don't want to move your phone while you're shooting. We have a light on here. Make sure you're not using daylight, and we also have our exposure, white balance, and focus lock because we don't want that changing as we're shooting. As you can see, we had the flat lay completely styled at the beginning, and then we are going to take things away one by one, and we'll reverse it after in editing so it looks like things are getting added instead of things getting taken away. You'll also notice that the white board is not covering the full area of the camera. We're going to zoom in and crop this in post-production. I didn't have a Bristol board large enough to cover the whole camera, so I wasn't too worried about it. We have amazing editing features to deal with this stuff in the editor. This is just a piece of white foam core, which we bought from a craft store. It was a couple dollars, and it's a great investment. We do need a new one. There are some marks on it, which you can see at the bottom of the video. It got damaged as we moved into our office, but it works for now. We just cropped out those parts. So first thing we're going to do in the editor is we're going to delete the first few frames, which I took as test shots. And then we're going to go to the tilt function, and that's where we can pinch in and zoom and adjust the angle and get rid of the background that we don't want. So it's not very obvious with the tilt, but yeah, you can just drag anywhere on the screen and pinch and zoom. Almost good here. And I'm doing this before we reverse it because it shows the first image in the project while you're doing this. And if I reverse it, it's going to be a blank screen, and it's going to be hard to figure out where we want the crop to be. So I just deleted that one image because it was another test shot and it was a bit of a glitch. Now we're reversing it, and let's see how it looks. Cute. I need to delete that last one. There's a bit of the acorns or whatever those are, they come in and then back out. So I'm just going to remove those. Just use our timeline editor to drag and select which ones you want to delete. Tap on the frame and then you can delete it. There we go. Let's see how this looks. Cute. This is a super simple concept, and it's really easy and quick to shoot. You just style it and then take things away one by one and take your photo between each shot. And of course, we always increase the brightness. It really takes the video to the next level. I always think this looks like a DSLR shoot, if I do say so myself. We're going to boomerang it so that it plays forward and then it goes backwards. I also created a pause, so you select the last frame in the project, which is where all the items are added. Select on that clip, click freeze, and then I paused it, I think for 2 seconds, which is what you see here. It has a nice pause before things get removed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our videos in front of more people on YouTube. All about that algorithm. We'll be releasing the tutorials on how we created all of these videos using our app Lapse. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want to catch those tutorials. If you plan to recreate the video from this tutorial and post it to social media, specifically Instagram, I'd absolutely love to see how the video turned out. Please tag us at @lifelapse_app, or you can use hashtag #lifelapse, and you'll get a chance to be featured on our Instagram page. Thanks for watching.